Welcome to this guided meditation. Create your vision. Thank you for joining me here. I'm truly grateful to share this space with you. I'm your guide Eva, and I take you on a journey of creating your vision. Welcome yourself into this space of unlimited being. Take a deep breath. With each inhale and exhale, feel more relaxed in your physical body. With each inhale and exhale, feel more connected to your energetic self. Breathe. Focus on the breath, feeling the release in your physical body, letting your mind slow down. Inhale long and exhale even longer and calmer. Feel free from patterns and programming that do not support your true purpose and vision of yourself and your life experience. Feel free from any limiting beliefs and collective consciousness. Breathe in the sense of freedom, limitlessness, boundlessness. Breathe out any stored energy. Breathe in the sense of empowerment, inspiration, and freshness. Breathe out any old and stuck energy. Breathe in the sense of spontaneous creativity, enthusiasm, and joy. Breathe out the energy that doesn't serve you anymore. With each inhale and exhale, allow yourself to feel your heart deeper. Connect with your heartbeat. Put your hands on your chest and feel your heartbeat. Feel free from earthly attachments. Feel that you can choose for yourself. Imagine that you are lying down somewhere in nature, in the breathtaking scenery, where the ground below feels warm and wind is gentle and calming. Take yourself to this place of your choice, this incredible place. Stay there for a while, embracing this moment. Breathe. take a deep breath and ask yourself, what do I want to bring to my life? What experience? What feelings? What kind of people? How do I want to live? How do I want to spend my days? How do I want to contribute to the world? What will make life feel easy? What kind of events make me feel fulfilled and full of love? Breathe and allow yourself to create this vision of yourself in your mind. Visualize the achieved dreams and goals in more detail. See and feel the vision of manifested dreams and goals. Inhale and exhale. Visualize the experiences that you want to bring to your life. See yourself experiencing them. Feel yourself in these experiences. Inhale and exhale. Visualize the joyful moments, the beautiful people who surround you, and the environment that you are in. See yourself there. Feel your presence in these moments and places. Feel the presence of the people who joined you there. Inhale and exhale. Visualize the work you love doing. Feel the joy coming from what you can offer to the world. See yourself being well paid for this service. Enjoy it, being grateful and content. Feel in love with yourself and others. Inhale and exhale. If your mind starts creating some limits, dissolve these limits in your breath. Exhale the limitations and come back to your vision. See the best version of yourself in the best environment, surrounded by loving people, experiencing your dreams and achieving your goals. Feel the presence of this vision. Feel complete in your joyful living. Feel unlimited, inspired and empowered. Breathe. Stay there for a while, enjoying yourself. Follow the rise of the breath. Inhale and exhale. Breathe and feel it in your body. Feel yourself in your body. Feel connected to your spirit. And slowly awaken your body systems, allowing these feelings and visions to stay with you. 4, 3, 2, 1. You are here and now. You are in your body, connected to your spirit and your vision.